Hello. Welcome to my channel, my friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And by defense, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is still continuing the upside here after hitting the high of almost 4700. We can see gold showed profit booking. Okay, came down to the support of 4630, this particular level here, and right now trading around 4640 at the time of recording the video. If you look at the chart, then technically gold is bullish because the structure of the market is still higher highs here. Okay, market is more or less forming higher highs and higher lows here. So structure wise, gold is bullish. But we have discussed yesterday also and in our groups also that if you look at the chart carefully, then we can clearly see the market is losing volume. The momentum is going down. For example, okay, if we compare this portion of the chart with this portion of the chart, you can see this was more bullish. Here, the red candles are bigger in comparison to the green candles. So whenever a profit booking came, the sellers were in the dominant position. So I feel that there is a possibility that market may come down for some correction in the next 1 or 2 days. Yesterday also we discussed because right now technically gold is standing at the top here. So if you're a swing trader, अगर आप swing trader हो, then obviously it will be better for you to wait for 1 or 2 days because this particular zone, for example, 4500, 4550 are the better levels where you can grab gold. Okay, these are better levels to trade as a swing trader because no market in the world goes up in a straight line. Okay, market always move in a zigzag pattern, and right now gold is standing at the top. Okay, so from a swing trader's perspective, this is not the ideal position to trade. Okay, now let's discuss the trading opportunities for the day. Okay, so if you are a part of our group, then hope you made some good money because yesterday in our group also we discussed that we have a good buying opportunity here. Okay, then we also discuss about the buying at breakout. Okay, above 468284. Okay, we also discussed that okay, if market goes up also 4700 is going to cost double, and yes, as expected 4700 cost double, and there was some profit booking here. So today we need to be careful with the support. So yesterday the support of 4630 gave us good money. Which level? 4630 gave us good money, but today we can already see the support has been tested 4 to 5 times already. If a support has been tested 4 to 5 times already, what does it mean? It means that in the next attempt there is a high chance that market will break it. 4 से 5 बार टेस्ट हो चुका है, so there's a high chance market इसको तोड़ेगा. So next time if it comes down, what can we do? My dear friends, the next support on the chart of gold is around 4600. 4600 previous support plus it's a round number. So if market comes down, we can look for a buy position on 4600. Keep in mind, if market goes down also, do not sell below 4600. There's a high chance that market will be coming up again. When it will do? Okay, after the liquidity grab, okay, we can enter at 4600. Yesterday also we discussed that after liquidity grab, we can buy above 4630. It happened. So today also same stuff. If market comes down to 4600, take support, well and good, हम buy करेंगे, we will buy. But if it breaks 4600, we will wait for liquidity grab so that we can buy. And if you are a risky trader, daredevil kind of a trader, okay, I have mentioned the group as well, you can look for a sell below 4618. Why it is a risky trade? It is a risky trade because overall the trend of the market is still bullish. Taking a sell below 4618 means you are going against the trend of the market. If you have been watching my videos, you must know that I am a trend follower. I love to follow the trend of the market. But here, okay, we are going against the trend of the market. Personally, I am not going to take it, to be honest. Okay. But if you want to take the trade, it's up to you. Personally, I will be only looking for buy around 4600 only. And at the top, my dear friends, at the top, we have a buy opportunity above 4700. But as I have already mentioned the group as well, that 4700 has been a battleground. Okay, because why battleground? See, I have zoomed out the chart. So you can see in the month of May, 4700 caused a lot of trouble. It was not allowing the market to go up. So it was a what? It was a battlefield. Okay. So my dear friends, today 4700 may cause trouble because in the past we have seen 4700 was a very strong level. So today what can we do is that instead of directly buying and breakout, okay, let the market consolidate. For example, okay, try to understand the logic here. If market consolidates between 4670, 4690, okay, if market stays like this, then it is a good sign that market is getting ready for a breakout. Okay, because consolidation is always important. We have seen, isn't it? So after consolidation, if you see the market is not going anywhere, market is just choppy, staying inside the range, then there's a high chance that okay, it will be a good breakout, powerful breakout. In that case, we can look for a buy above 4700. Okay, in that case, we can look for buy above 4700. But if you see that market is going up straight above 4700, just look at the source. Just check from where the move has started. If the move has started from the bottom, then there's a high chance that it will be a false breakout. Why? Okay, no time to explain here because just in simple words, try to understand that when a move starts from a very low point of the market usually gets exhausted after the breakout. So always look for consolidation before a breakout. Means if a move starts from here, then there's a high chance that the breakout may not sustain. It may be a false breakout. That is a logic here. So we can look for buy above 4700. Okay, but let the market consolidate around 4670, 4690. After that, it will be reliable for us. That's it. Okay. And if you do not want to get into any trouble, then you can just skip the breakout thing. And after the breakout, you can buy at pullback. Okay. That is also available. Okay. Available opportunity for us. But as of now, I personally feel that before the breakout, market is going to test 4600. Okay. If it takes support, well and good, we can look for a buy position, or after liquidity grab also we can buy around 4600. And as we all know, gold is full of surprises, isn't it? So in case market breaks 4600 with heavy volume, high volume, in that case, okay, in that case, this level will come into the rescue. 457570. In this situation, we can look for a buy around 457570. If something crazy happens, if unexpected selling pressure comes up, okay, so let's wait and watch. As of now, while recording the video, market is still bullish, there is no doubt about it. But yes, there is also a possibility of a correction here, market coming down to 4500, 4550 level, because we have seen on a higher time frame that market is standing at the top. So if market comes down for correction, do not be surprised नहीं होना है हमें, because हमें पता है कि market आ सकता है. Okay, but as of now, yes, we can look for buy around 4600, or if you want to take the risk, you can look for sell below 4618 as well, personally, which I'm not going to take. And for buy breakout, we can look for a buy above 4700. But yes, consolidation is important, because we have seen in the past, especially in the month of May, that 4700 faced serious resistance. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.